things.
A lady
What
teacher is being harassed in such a fashion.
We have no-
It is a battle between the lamb and the lion. An lady assistant teacher newly appointed, and the headmaster being the secretary of the managing committee. Please don't open your mouth too wide, Mr. Dasgupta, in this matter. I have heard, I have applied my mind, and I have directed, and board has found the prima facie materials. If you go on submitting, I will direct the TI to stop the salary of the headmaster till the inquiry report is submitted before this court. What steps your headmaster did take when a complaint relating to sexual harassment was lodged by the petitioner?
It was,
and the school did not bother to appear before this court in a writ petition having these such serious allegations.
I bow down to you.
দেরিতে বোধোদয় decided to initiate appropriate steps against the headmaster. Most interesting is come to page 12 of your report. Ms. Bhattacharya, come to page 12. Last paragraph, sexual harassment at workplace. What is the finding? Ms. Sadhu has stated, there is a petitioner,
Yes.
has stated that when she asked the headmaster for her specific chair, he said her to sit so and so. She stated that Shrimati Sangita Nath was present at that time. Might be another teacher, but the only witness, Shrimati Nath, was absent on that day. Initiate proceedings, remove this person.
My lord, I am the headmaster, my lord, only one.
You will get opportunity to make deliberation
My
before
lord,
the inquiry.
only two things, my lord. Your lordship has seen the report, my lord. Before that, the petitioner has suppressed something. This is not the first time.
So let it be brought to the notice of the board.
Two things, my lord. What has brought
In
about-
spite of due notice, no one represented the school authority last occasion. Matter was
My lord,
heard
it
at
was
length.
changed-
Matter was heard at length.
Yes, my lord.
Then an order was passed. Board has formed a committee.
Yes,
A
my lord.
committee visited the school, made an inquiry, found that it is a fit case to initiate inquiry against the headmaster. Then let the inquiry be initiated. Let the inquiry be concluded logically. Then I will consider it.
But only-
I am adjourning the matter for some time in order to grant some time to the committee of the concerned authority of the board to conclude the inquiry and come to a finding.
Things,
Yes.
my lord, only two things. This is a change, my lord. Since no one represented, I have been only two things. Thereafter, your lordship passed, my lord. Only two things.
A lady
What
teacher is being harassed in such a fashion.
Two thing, my lord. Only two things. It is kindly see this. Why on well before this.
Why
complaint
you
came-
feel you feel shy to appear before
My
the
lord, I
inquiry
am
committee?
not sure I am-
So let the inquiry be
My lord,
concluded.
This is not the first time I also appeared before
Let the inquiry be concluded.
My lord, I have no.
It is a battle between the lamb and the lion.
My
An
lord,
lady assistant teacher newly appointed, and the headmaster being the secretary of the managing committee.
one, two.
If you go on making submission, I will direct the headmaster not to work in the meantime. Please don't open your mouth too wide, Mr. Dasgupta, in this matter. I have heard, I have applied my mind, and I have directed, and board has found the prima facie materials. If you go on submitting, I will direct the TI to stop the salary of the headmaster till the inquiry report is submitted before this court. What steps your headmaster did take when a complaint relating to sexual harassment was lodged by the petitioner?
That is what I am submitting.
Yes.
Man. It was
And the school did not bother to appear before this court in a writ petition having these such serious allegations.
I bow down to your lordship. My client appointed advocate, my lord. I could not say. I should
Yes.
not say it. My lord, report of the DI once, my lord.
দেরিতে বোধোদয়.
My lord, report.
Let him face inquiry first.
I will face any.
Yes,
my lord.
face it. Face inquiry. Come clear before this court. Let me see what is the findings of the board.
I will face any inquiry, my lord. And the school authorities also forwarded this complaint to the DI that there is a complaint of sexual harassment. And upon that, this inquiry also conducted and report was filed by the DI. And all this because I lodged a show cause the petitioner in the month of August, well before all this, that you do not attend classes, you do not do anything. After this, all these complaints are being made. And my lord, there is also complaint that this petitioner is never listened to any.
Yes, there will be complaints and counter complaints. It will go on.
My lord, in the report,
in order to tide over the situation.
My lord, in the report it is.
Yes, yes. If necessary, that's why I have specifically added Ms. Bhattacharya Police Authority as party respondent. Obtain the assistance of the police authority, and if you find any difficulty, mention the matter before me. What is the composition of this inquiry committee? It's not very clear. Come to page 2 of your report, paragraph 3. President of board formed an inquiry committee. It should be formed an inquiry committee comprising of the deputy secretary, discipline authority of the board. Then DI, it should be AC, DIAC Purbo Bardhaman. Then regional officer.
We have a regional office in Bardhaman.
Bardhaman, yes. So DIAC Purbo Bardhaman, then regional officer Bardhaman.
And one security officer of board escorted them.
I would have directed the authority to transfer the petitioner from here to any other school. But that is not, this is a SLST 2016 appointee. Issue. In terms of the order dated 16th August 2024, a report has been filed in the form of affidavit affirmed on 18 September 2024. By the Secretary, West Bengal Board of Secondary Education, and the same is taken on record. Stop. Next paragraph. On perusal of the said report, it appears that an inquiry committee was formed comprising of deputy secretary being the disciplinary authority of the board. So capital board, comma DIAC Purbo Bardhaman, comma regional officer Bardhaman in connection with regional office of the board at Bardhaman and security officer of board. Stop. Said committee visited the school to conduct a preliminary inquiry on 30th August 2024. And a report was prepared, dated September 2024, which is annexed to this report. This court has perused the report. From the report, it appears that the concerned authority of the board has decided now to take appropriate steps, to take appropriate steps against the headmaster of লোয়া দিবাকর বিদ্যা মন্দির, ডিস্ট্রিক্ট পূর্ব বর্ধমান। As per the government notification number -214 S S/10 M-01/18 dated 8 March 2018. Stop. Next paragraph. Having perused the recommendation made by the committee formed by the board to make preliminary inquiry, this court permits the concerned authority of the board to conclude the inquiry
proceeding.
To conclude the proceeding as expeditiously as possible, preferably within a period of 4 months, or preferably within a period of 2 months.
2 months because holiday after
preferably within a preferably by 31st January 2025. Stop. And submit the outcome of the proceedings before this court by preparing a further report. Stop. List the matter under the same heading on 4th December 2024 to see the steps taken by the board. Stop. Yes. Face the inquiry.
I will face the inquiry.
Yes.
Since what I was trying, kindly don't take me amiss, my lord, kindly.
Very sorry state of affairs.
My lord,
I have applied my mind. I have seen the documents.
Advocates
It is not expected from an headmaster of the school. I was thinking to remove him for the time being, to ensure protection so far the petitioner is
my lord,
concerned.
I was appointed.
Use your good office, give proper advice. Next matter.